constants. As we all know since our school days, that these are the values which will not be changed. So the same way in the program, which once it is, we have defined that it is a constant, this will not be changed according to the time. So this will be fixed. So we have three types of constant. The first one is numeric constant, character constant, and a string constant. And again, the numeric constant has been divided into two parts. The first one is integer constant and the second one is real constant. Then the second one is character constant, and then this is the string constant. So we will first see this one, integer constant. So decimal constant. So the normal number which we use, I like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 1, 2, 8. So these are the decimal, which is the decimal constant, and then comes the octal. So if you are familiar with the different number types, then that's fine. Otherwise you can watch the suggested video in which I have explained about the different number types and how to convert from one number types to different. So these are the octal, and this will be like 0, 7, 3, 0, 5, 4. The range of decimal, that like the number which we are using is the decimal number, and this contains 0 to 9. And in octal, there are total number of digits is 8, and in decimal total number of digits are 10, including 0 to 9. And in octal it contains 0 to 7 only. So if someone is saying that this number is in octal, of course this number is in octal because it contains either 0 to 7. If someone says 0, 8, 3 and says this is the octal number, no, it's not an octal number, because you have included 8 and you are saying the range is already, you know, that 0 to 7. So this cannot be an octal number. So sometimes it happens, someone will ask you, and even if you will assign the same value in C program, then you will get a compile time error, because compiler knows very well. So you cannot use in beyond the range. Then it comes hexadecimal. So in hexadecimal the range is 0 to 9, 10, it will be total number of, it will be 10, and then 8 to F, A, B, C, D, E, and then F, 3 to 5, 1, 6. So total number of digit will be 6 plus 10, it means 16. So hexadecimal contains total of 16 digits, and then the representation of octal is 0. In the prefix will be 0 followed by the digits. So if you have to represent any number in octal, you have to write 0 before the number, and in hexadecimal you have to write 0x followed by the actual number, like you can say F or 0x, just say B, okay, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, you can see here, as we all know that C is a case sensitive language, but here either a small x or capital X, both are fine, both represent the hexadecimal number. So in decimal, I'll just this one 0.73. So what is the actual value in decimal? So that will be 8 into 7, 56 plus 3. So this is in actual is 59. So in decimal, the number system which we are using is decimal number, and in decimal number it is 59. So while storing the value in computer, it will store as a 59. But again, see, whatever the data will be stored in memory, all will be stored in a binary. So whatever the number, either we are using decimal, octal, hexadecimal, in the end all the value will be converted to binary 0 and 1, and that will be stored in the memory. And again in the same way, like if you are taking this one 0xf. So this is clear, this is 15, and if we are taking 0x3f, so this will be 16 into 3, 48, plus 15, 63. The calculation might be wrong, so don't blame me that I am wrong. So it sometimes happens. So but only you have to get the concept what I am telling you. So just let me tell you that how this value will be stored. This is the octal number, so we will represent as 7. Whatever the number we are using, so in the end all the number will be converted to binary, and then it will be stored into the memory regardless of the number types we are using. And then this is the 073. So 73 will be 1 1 1 1 0, and then 7 will be 1 0 0, and then 0 0 0 3 5. No, this is extra, just remove this one. Okay, so this is the number in binary number which will be finally stored into the memory. And again, if we are taking direct just 59, we can check this one: 1 2 4 8 16 32, 32 plus 2, no, 34 35, no, that's incorrect. Then I'll have to check this one. Okay, so I have taken 7 as a 100, so that's the major mistake I have done. So that will be 32 48 plus 8 56 plus 58 59, so this will be 59. So yeah, this is the correct number that will be stored in the memory. Real constant, so whatever the numeric value with decimal dotted value, so that will be a real value, a real constant: 3.14 5.48 7.7678. so these are the real constant, and then it comes character constants. So A, B, 7, C, so these all are character constants. So any characters enclosed with single quotes will be treated as a character constant. So and see, this is the 7. This is not a number at this time because we have used single quotes, and this will be treated as a character constant. And then say string constant, so whatever is enclosed in double quotes, that will be a string constant, like A, B, C, X, Y, and then M, N, and then even A. So yes, even the A is, if it is enclosed in double quotes, that will be a string constant. So what is the, if you are getting a question, then what is the difference between this one and this one? So this is a character constant and that is the string constant, and while storing into the memory, how it will store? So this will be storing as in binary again, and the value will be 95, 95, and 95, the equivalent of 95 would be 64, 32, and then so most probably 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 4. So 128 minus 32. So how much? 725 95. Yes. So yeah, this is the value. Maybe it may be incorrect, but I'm just taking 2, 4, 3, and this one. So this is the 95 equivalent to A. So this is the value, it will be stored in memory. But while storing this one, so because see, this is the character, that's the main reason it has been stored like this way. And while storing the string constant, in the last, after the last, a null character will be stored. So while storing in the memory, it will be stored as a first as a character, and then null character. So again, not this exactly, the equivalent of binary number will be stored in this one. So this is the how different the memory will it will be treated while storing. So of course it should be clear now that both are the different.